Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services within the Sanitas medical network. First we're going to search cuadro médico Sanitas and click on this link. When the page opens, you'll see three main options: doctors and clinics, diagnostic tests, and medical emergencies. Let's click on doctors and clinics. Here you can enter your location, either your postal code or simply the name of your city. Then you can choose a specialty within this list. For example, here, cardiology. Then click search. You can see your result with or without your Sanitas account. The list of doctors and clinics will appear on the left, and on the right you'll find a map to help you locate them. You can also use filters. You can set how far you want to look, or even choose the language the doctor speaks. For example, French. Thanks for watching this video.